Okay, so this is our downloaded server. I'm going to extract here and going to the 64-bit version because I have the Windows 64-bit version. I am opening my command prompt here. Okay, and just started Redis server with the help of Redis server.exe. So it's Redis server.exe. Yeah, I have it, and yeah, our server is started. Okay. On the port, they are not showing port here, but by default we have, okay, this is the port they show here. Okay, so this is our server. Now let's start the client. Okay, so I am putting server here and we have client connected is 0. Okay, so there is client CLI. Okay, this is the client. Okay, so I am double clicking it and yep, it started. Let's see what happened. What I trying to do, we have one client is connected here. Okay, so our server is started successfully and we have one client it also. Okay, so this is our client. Okay, so what I am trying to do, I have one server but I want to add multiple client here. Okay, so I am opening 2 or 3 client once again, second and third. Okay, so I have 3 client now. Okay, so this is client 1, client 2 and the client 3. Okay, so this is the client, this is client 3. Okay, now let's start to run some basic command of Redis. Okay, so we have 3 client connected. Okay, let's see. I am using, this video is all about some basic commands of Redis. Okay, so I am using ping pong here. First thing first, ping, and in the response I get pong. So this means our Redis client, Redis CLI or client get connected to our Redis server. We can try with this ping, and it is pong, and it is ping, and it also give you pong. Okay, so second thing, our favorite program is nothing but the hello world. Okay, so I am using a echo command and putting something here like hello world. Okay, so let's enter and it's going to print your whatever input you given inside hello world. So this is our hello world program in Redis. Okay, so uh, this is basically a key value kind of structure. So I am setting some keys and with the help of that keys I am getting the value. Okay, so I am setting the set. With the help of set we can set any kind of key here. Okay, and I am setting the key. Okay, so it's a name of key basically. So I am setting the key as a city. Okay, set city. Okay, this is the key and I want to set value as a Nagpur. Okay, this is a country present inside India. Okay, so you get output as okay. Okay, but what happened, I set with the help of first client. Let's consider it as a first client, but I want to get inside a second client. Let's try. We can we are able to fetch it or not. Okay, so the name of the key is city, so I am using get key. Key is nothing but a city. So let's say city, and here we go. We get Nagpur as output inside our second client. So it means what? Whatever you save inside in our server, it get reflected to the all client. Okay, so okay, what I'm doing, I'm adding another key here once again. So let's set uh, key is the key. Okay, I'm setting key is the key, and or I can change it something like again class. Okay, CLA class, and it's a fifth standard. Okay, so it's a fifth. Okay, so this is the key and this is a value. Okay, so I'm setting it. So how to get a all key? So with the help of keys star, okay, so it's not like, okay, so with the help of keys dot star you can get all the keys present inside a Redis. Okay, we can delete any kind of key with the help of this command del, and you need to pass the key. I am passing the class. Okay, so it's one means success. Okay, if it is 0 then it is failed. If I am executing same command once again, what happen? It's give you 0, so it means fails. Okay, so I am executing same command once again, and let's see, we have only one key. What I am doing now, I am setting once again same key. Okay, so I am executing deleting all the keys present inside a Redis. So for that I am using flush all. Okay, flush. Okay, so now let's check how many keys we have. Empty. Okay, this way our Redis work. Okay, so what I am trying to do now, I am creating one kind of publisher and subscriber pattern here basically. So I am subscribing from this CLI, and let's consider this is subscriber and this is publisher. Okay, so I am subscribing on specific kind of key. So subscribe be subscribe, and I am subscribing to the key called laptop. Laptops. Okay, so this is subscribe. Okay, so it just give you the reading message. Okay, so it's subscribe to the key laptop. Now we need to publish some keys inside the laptop. Okay, so how we are going to publish it? With the help of publish, key name is laptop, and I am putting first laptop as Lenovo. Mine is Lenovo one. Okay, so it's giving me 0 means fail. So let's see if I am entering 1 here. Okay, it's not working. I'm selecting right CLI. Alright, 2 3 nothing is there. Laptops. Okay, maybe I make some mistake. It's a laptops, not a laptop. Okay, so look at this. We publish a Lenovo from here, and this is a subscriber which automatically have our laptop. Okay, so it's like I am Lenovo, I am publishing another key, like I have the another laptop is HP. I can do that whole day. Mac, uh, maybe Acer, ASSER. Okay, maybe typo is there. So this is how your publisher subscriber pattern is work. Okay, thanks for watching.